In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 different and important ways how to do a market research on a business which you are going to start or on a business which you have already started recently. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Make Direct by Supari, helping you to make money through online. So it's been very long that I've made a video 1 month ago, so today I'm coming across with a new video, the continuation part of Sparkle My Business. So I'm just going to continue the further coming across with the further steps what to be done to start your own business through online. Everything going to get explained in coming videos. Also you'll be coming to know each and everything with zero investment or with a small budget of investment how to start your business. So let's jump into today's video. To be successful doing market researching, the one thing you need to put in your mind is you need to understand your customer, because in this competitive world, there are a lot many customers, and the only thing we need to do is we need to understand the customer. I used to do a lot of market research before, and I came across only these 3 common things between my business and my customers. Okay, if you can better understand what are the needs and what are the wants and goal of the customer, then you can easily position your business according to their needs and be successful in the market. So let's jump into our first strategy, like how we are going to do a market research. See, just put these 3 things in your mind: what customer want, what customer need, and what is the goal of their customer. Just these 3 things is enough. You can be very successful in the market. First and best way of doing market research is making use of Amazon itself. Okay, so for example, say you're working on, you are having a company based on dry fruits niche, like badam dry fruits. So you're going to sell the dry fruit. So what you're going to do, you would be doing a market research by selling this badam dry fruit. The first thing what you need to do on Amazon is go and search for badam dry fruits. Okay, you would be getting plenty of products over here. So just make a note in a Word or Excel sheet, like what is the company name and what is the price of this badam dry fruit, like 450 grams or 500 grams, what is the price, and how much discount is giving, everything, how much discount is giving and how much people would be saving. Everything you need to make a note. So apart from that, just open this, and here this is the product of badam dry fruits. Just scroll a bit down, check with the reviews of this product. Okay, we are having 215 ratings over here, and the package minimum rating is 4.4, and 1-star rating 5%, 5-star rating is 54%. Just check why people got 5-star rating, and put all the positive reviews one side and put all the negative reviews another side. Okay, so once you get all these positive reviews, you should make sure, once you are coming across with your product, all these positive reviews what customers have given to be included in that product. Okay, and just check with the negative reviews what happens. Like here we are having one of the negative review stating the package contains almonds of all sizes. See, customer was unhappy, so he have given 1 star. Why? Because the sizes of almonds are of different sizes. So make sure when you come across with your product, all the sizes would be the same, like not small, not big. Every almond size or your product should be from one particular brand. Okay, I guess this is the mixture of all the different badam. I guess that's the reason the customer didn't like it. Okay, and it's not looking fresh to them, so that's the reason customer have given negative rating. So make sure like put all the positive reviews and negative reviews, uh, just differentiate it, and you prepare your product according to the reviews what you are getting on Amazon. Not only this way, you can directly check with all the different brands and make sure all the prices are mentioned in one Excel sheet, and you can compare with your product what are all the negative reviews, what are all the positive reviews, everything you need to compare with your product. And you can like when you launch your product, then you can make use of all these negative reviews and prepare further. Like before launching the product, you need to be prepared. So this is one of the way how we can do market research. And the second way is Google Trends. This is one of my best way to do market research, and I can easily come to know what people are searching according to the keyword what they mention on Google search. Like if people are searching for badam fruits in Hyderabad or in Telangana, so I can easily come to know how popular is that keyword. Okay, it gives us the clear dimensions or the analytics. I'll show you clearly how it can be done, so you also get some kind of idea. And I went to Google Trends and I searched for dry fruits and selected India past 90 days. So you can select anything you need and which country you are targeting. You can also select the country, but I'm targeting India, so I've selected India. And the categories, web search, whether it's an image search, Google Shopping, YouTube search, anything. I've selected web search, and here you can see the statistics how people are searching. See here in the month of June 23, when compared with dry fruits, when you compare with dry fruits, there was 100% hike. Okay, and here on September 29th, dry fruit 74% hike. And you can target like the states in all over India. Andhra Pradesh is one sub-region where people are searching more for dry fruits, and second it comes with Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Delhi. So this is how we'll come to know what people are searching, and these are the related keywords what people are searching on search engines. So this is one of the easiest way how you need to do market research. The second way, saffron spice, Cadbury Dairy Milk, and kiwi fruit flesh. See, these all are the things people are searching. This information is given by Google search engine or web search. We would be getting an accurate results on Google Trends, and comparing with Amazon, Google Trends is the better way to do market research, and Amazon is one of the way where you would be finding the customer feedbacks. Okay, according to the feedbacks of the customer, you can start developing your product. Okay, and let's check with the third way how to do market research. Third easiest and best way of doing market research is Uber Suggest. Just go to Google and search for Uber Suggest. We are having two different platforms here, a free platform and the paid platform. My suggestion is go with free platform. You get everything in the free platform itself. Okay, just go sign up for Uber Suggest. Okay, it's quite simple. Just sign up with your Gmail. You will be coming across with a search tab where you can enter your website details or the keyword what or on which niche you are working. Let's go and search for Uber Suggest, and this is how the website looks like. And once you successfully signed up using your Google account, you get redirected over here. And here the best thing is, like, once I've entered the keyword dry fruits and selected the country as India, I would be coming across each and every information. The search volume is 90,500, which is very very high, and cost per click of this keyword is 3 rupees 57 paise. And everything, I really love this website. We come across everything like SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and how many people are searching through mobile or desktop, and the age related queries also can be resolved over here. You know, uh, dry fruits, who are searching more for dry fruits, 18 to 24 people age are searching more, and when compared with 19% 25 to 34 age, and here 8% from 45 to 54 age are searching for this keyword. Not only this, you know, we would come across other keywords information also, like the volume, how much volume there like we are getting per month, and the cost per click, and PD and SD also. And here we'll come across backlinks also. This can be explained in my future classes, so please do subscribe to my channel so that you won't be missing any of my video further. Why? Because I'm showing you everything in a step-by-step way, so that you can start your own business at home or anywhere else. If you're having some investment or with zero investment, that's up to you. You can start your business however you like. So please stay tuned with my future videos, so that each and every video would be giving you a valuable information. So this is one of the best way to do market research. Uber suggests entering the keyword, you will come across the information, how many people are searching and how many people are searching in age range, and the keyword ideas also, everything would be shown here. And let's jump into our final strategy. Fourth and final way of doing market research is running Facebook ads. So what I've done earlier is I've collected information from Amazon, like positive, negative reviews, price details and product details, everything. And second, I came across Google Trends, and I've seen like which state or which country or which place is searching a lot for this the keyword or the product. And the third thing is, like, I came across with Uber suggest, and there I've created the demographics, the search platform from where people are searching, either it's mobile or desktop, or the keyword, on which keyword we are generating much of traffic, everything. I just created a document and I've run Facebook ads including all this document, all this information. Okay, in that Facebook ad I've mentioned the age group, which age group people are searching a lot, everything I've mentioned in that ad. And I've created an ad, and they included the pain points of the customer. Okay, so I've got few reviews or few replies from of doing this Facebook ads, and I've interacted with customers. I've interacted the customers, and I've served these customers, and they are now my best customers. I've understood the pain points of the customer, and I've included all that in my product and served with the customers which I've got from Facebook ads. So this is the way you have to do market research, and by coming across all this process, we can be very successful in the market. There are many ways of doing market research, but for me, I think like this is the best way to do market research and be successful. So if you have any queries, then you can comment down below, and would be coming across with the next video, and I'll show you like how to do competitor analysis also, everything in my next video. So please stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye bye.